Hello everyone, it's Dr. Wolf here. Sorry I can't be in class today, but I wanted to give you some feedback on constructing explanations from the lab that we did yesterday. Okay, so here we have our graphs. You should have had oxygen decreasing, CO2 increasing. If not, just make sure to eventually put this in to change it. So our question is, do the peas that are germinating do photosynthesis or aerobic cell respiration? And I have my two equations here to help me out, right? I know that my products, all right, whatever the process is, I should see those increasing if the process is happening, and my reactants, the ingredients, should be decreasing, getting used up if the process is happening. So let's say I'm looking at this and I'm still like, I'm not sure what the claim is. That's fine. Let's just go straight to the evidence, which is just explaining what's going on in the graphs. So for the CO2 graph, all right, the CO2 in the chamber increases. For the evidence, for oxygen in the chamber decreases. That's it. All right, so now let's start to make sense of this. Okay, why is the evidence important? Why is CO2 important? Well, CO2 is a product of aerobic cellular respiration, right? It's right here. And if that's the case, then the increase shows that it's being produced and cellular respiration is occurring. All right, so some important things here is saying that it's either produced or that it is a product. Either one of those would show why the evidence is important. And how does it relate back to your claim? A lot of the ones I looked at yesterday from y'all just said, oh, CO2 is a product, and then that was it. All right, that's only this part right here. How does it relate back to your claim? And you can't just say, oh, it shows that aerobic cellular respiration is occurring. No, it's specifically that increase in the product shows that cellular respiration is occurring. So similarly with the oxygen, why is oxygen important? Well, oxygen is a reactant of aerobic cellular respiration, right? That's why the evidence is important. Or if the fact that you maybe said that it was used up kind of shows that it's reactant too. So, but again, how does that show that aerobic cellular respiration is occurring? Again, it's not that it shows that cellular respiration is occurring. It's that specifically this decrease in oxygen shows that aerobic cellular respiration is happening. So oxygen is a reactant. The decrease shows that aerobic cellular respiration is happening. Okay. So then lastly, why does this phenomenon occur? Why would the peas be, they're plants. Don't plants do photosynthesis, right? Why are they doing aerobic cellular respiration now? All right, well, the germinating peas need energy to start having the pea plant sprout and extend its roots, so it does aerobic cellular respiration. All right, another way of reasoning through this is, guys, the peas don't have leaves yet, right? So they're actually not able to do photosynthesis. So it's almost like you're starting a business, right, where before you start making money, you got to start spending some stuff first, right? Maybe you buy like the store, you buy the products that you're going to sell, right? And then once you've kind of invested that, then you could start making money. So it's the same thing with the peas. They're going to spend some energy with aerobic cell respiration to start actually sprouting, making leaves, and then they're going to start making their own glucose with photosynthesis later on. So if you haven't yet, you got to add this model to the first page. So here's our model, all right? Remember, if it's aerobic cell respiration, it's happening in the mitochondria. I got glucose and oxygen going in. Here are my products coming out, and notice how I've kept energy in the cytoplasm as well. So hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching.